Hi, I am Bobby, a student of Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Mohali. Today, my talk is on polarization control of tetrahedral emission using a spin reorientation transition in a spintronic heterostructure. So, polarization of electromagnetic wave play an extremely important role in the interaction of radiation with matter. In particular, interaction of polarized wave with ordered matter strongly depend on orientation and symmetry of vibration of chemical bond in crystal. In quantum technology, the polarization of photon is considered as a degree of freedom, which is one of the main parameters that ensure efficient quantum computing. However, even for visible light, polarization control is most cases separated from light emission. Today, I am presenting on a new type of polarization control implemented directly in a spintronic tetrahertz emitter. The principle of control realized by a weak magnetic field at room temperature is based on a spin reorientation transition that is called SRT in an intermetallic heterostructure TVCO2 FeCO with uniaxial in plane magnetic anisotropy. So, generation of tetrahertz radiation is of the great technological importance for many current and future applications such as non-destructive diagnostic, ultra-fast computing, wireless communication, as well as direct control of the material order parameter. During the last decade, enormous work has been done to verify material and mechanism procedure tetrahertz radiation with required characteristics. Among tetrahertz material are semiconductor, organic crystal, metal, in which either optical rectification or photocurrent induced by a short optical pulse are the source of tetrahertz radiation. Recently, not only charge but spin has been taken into consideration in a spintronic tetrahertz emitter, where ultra-fast spin photocurrent can convert into a transverse charge current. Using ST, a new application such as near-field tetrahertz microscope has been suggested. The conventional STE is a wide layer made of ferromagnetic and non-magnetic metal thin film stack. In ferromagnetic layer, magnetization lie in the film plane. An optical femtosecond pulse incident on the ferromagnetic non-magnetic structure generate a non-equilibrium electronic state. So, the current appearing along the normal to the stack surface is a spin polarized. The inverse, a spin Hall effect, that is also called ISHE, transform the art of plane a spin current into the desired sub picosecond in plane charge current. Here, tetrahertz emission in the TVCO to FeCO heterostructure. The experimental method make it possible to indicate a much probable mechanism of the emission of the optical induced ISHE. ISHE in this structure was observed previously using direct spin current injection from YIG film at ferromagnetic resonance. In the area of SRT, we demonstrate manipulation of tetrahertz polarization by variation of magnitude of the DC magnetic field while its direction is fixed. Now regard figure, the emission was a studies from two characteristic orientation of magnetic field relative to the axis of uniaxial magnetic anisotropy of the structure. The magnetic field vector either parallel to the EZ axis or normal to it. Time domain profile of tetrahedral signal, that is DELES, in the hard axis geometry as shown in figure 1e and appropriate spectra as shown in figure 1b. A charge in the sign of the magnetizing field inverts the tetrahedral pulse, that is reversing the phase of the pulse. The dependency of the maximum of the tetrahedral signal, that is at t is equal to 0, on the magnetic field strength in the easy axis and the hard axis geometry are presented in figure 2a. The obtained dependency coincide with the corresponding magnetization curve in figure 2b, measured the VSM technique. Measured by the VSM technique. In the EG axis geometry, the tetrahedral signal possesses almost rectangular loop with the corrosive field about 0.1 magnitude. In the hard geometry, the field dependence of the tetrahedral signal reproduce magnetization curve typical at SRT. The saturation along magnetic field occur at about 1 to magnitude, where magnetizing field achieve at the value of the anisotropy field HA. The field strength H is equal to plus minus HA correspond to the critical point of the SRT. In the interval that is written here, H is a small, H is greater than minus HRA or smaller than plus HRA. The magnetic moment gradually rotates from negative to positive orientation, and its projection onto the hard axis linearly depend on H value. The amplitude of the emission does not depend on the magnetic field, where magnetic state are saturated along H. Tetrahedral polarization rotation. Okay. To study the effect of the magnetic field strength of the polarization of the generated tetrahedral pulse, a tetrahedral polarizer was installed in the path between the Z and T crystal detector and the sample. The observed effect of the magnetic field on the amplitude of the generated tetrahedral pulse in the TbCO2 FeCO heterostructure reveal ISHE inverse, that is inverse SHE mechanism of the tetrahedral emission. Equation as written here, that is Z vector is equal to theta inverse of SHE cross multiplication of ZS and sigma vector, and or where delta theta ISHE is the electron deflection angle. Okay, the experimental dependence of the tetrahedral signal peak to peak amplitude as shown in figure 1a on the angle of rotation of the polarizer in the hard axis geometry as shown in figure 3. The dependence reflect tetrahedral polarization rotation during a spin reorientation controlled by the magnetic field strength in the SRT area. Now, figure 4 that is here. So the tetrahedral polarization angle of function of the magnetic field strength measure in the hard axis geometry. As can we see, the result completely match the field dependency of the tetrahedral signal as shown in figure 2a. Similarly, a study were carried out in the easy axis geometry. The result are presented in figure 1.5. A sharp changes in the phase of generated tetrahedral pulse did not allow the measurement of in intermediate state between the positive and negative magnetic phase in the given geometry. In this case, a phase change means a 180 degrees tetrahedral polarization rotation related to the laboratory frame. Now, light-induced demagnetization in the FeCO layer launch a pulse of a spin current into the TbCO2 and RU layer, as shown in figure 6. In the framework of the ultra-fast demagnetization mechanism, the direction of the spin current is determined by the asymmetric position of the RU cap and by the gradient of the magnetization quenching introduced by the laser. The spin current is normally of the surface structure. Now, regarding the conclusion, the result of the study of tetrahedral emission generated by femtosecond laser pulse in the spintronic heterostructure, the tetrahedral pulse generated in these structures show linear polarization. The total intensity of tetrahedral emission depend only on optical pump intensity and does not depend on the magnetic field. Magnetic field provide control over polarization of the tetrahedral by its state of fairly small field within the range HE rotate polarization within entirely angular range of plus minus 180 degree. The SRT multilayer very dependent from the magnetic non-magnetic structure. In the later, the polarization rotation can be achieved by rotation magnetic field around them. That is much less technologically justified. In the study magnet or magnetic structure, the tetrahedral generation is provided by inverse spin Hall effect. And now, obviously, to that, in the commonly used magnetic non-magnetic structure, however, in our work, we saw that this mechanism can be generalized to a magnetic, non-magnetic, multi-layer structure as well. A spin reorientation phase transition that has proven to be the basic of creating innovating a spintronic and a stain intronic functional material and device are applied here to generate of a controllable tetrahedral emission. Thank you.